Hey, to slime balls who use my YouTube videos to stalk me and track down my property and violate my private property, come onto private property uninvited. You guys are some sleazy, lying, low-life coward sneaks. You for real are. I mean, goddamn, you freaking come and look at a person's video and send someone over to his property. Send someone in person based on what? You guys got a probable cause to violate property? Did you go onto that property with a warrant? Did you go onto that property with any probable cause or a warrant? Were you invited onto that property? No, because you're above the law. You're sleazebag cowards who say, oh, the law, the Constitution, the right to privacy. Nobody's got the right to privacy on this property because we're the fucking daimyos, we're the samurai, we're above the law. So we're gonna do what the hell we want because we run this place, and any little intervention who's got a problem with it is gonna get harassed without even going in front of a judge to do it. And you know some judge would sign any crap that you put in front of them because you run this place. And that's why sleazy cop cult deluded vain people are having a problem in the political process. You keep thinking that you are special, but the voters hate it, and the voters are going to turn you to nothing. You lose and lose and lose and think you're in the majority, and it's sick and it's vain. And I do not like you going onto my property. Okay, don't go near my property without a warrant. And if you get a judge to sign a warrant, you better have some damn good probable cause to go near that property. You fucking coward sleazebags. So sick, using YouTube to stalk someone. My God, I would think that you would have something better to do, you fucking losers.